Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. I don't know, say your boy Mr. Ashi. And as you see, Auntie Sham come back from Barbados. Yeah, so we're back at it again guys. So may I recreate one of the video them. As you can see, I put it right here. So
yeah, make them go to roast them.
Breadfruit and tuna. And me see a bag of comments on there guys. So me I say alright. Let's make it back and make you see. I have the breadfruit and I roast it and I show you the step by step. I put ingredients so like if you don't want to make it back or something, you can see it. So yeah, stay tuned and watch what go on. I know it's a bad already guys, so make sure to like, share and subscribe. Alright guys, so I'm gonna take out the stem of the breadfruit so we can bake it. You have to take it out guys. You can split it too, but I'm not gonna split this.
The following Thursday.
Alright guys, so I'm drop it in the oven now, so when it's done, I'm show you how to peel it and all of them stuff there. So stay tuned and watch how it goes. Breadfruit done, as you can see. So I'm gonna peel it now. When it cool down, cause it's kinda hot. Well, guys, it cook, see that? Aye. Guys, so cut them up. So we get them fried now. So yeah, stay tuned and watch what happens. Guys, we're up on the last stretch, almost done. So the amount of fry already. Yeah, so this is how it's going. There's my left arm. But, yeah. Alright guys, I'm done cook the breadfruit them now, done fry them up. So as you can see, them have a nice golden color. So yeah, so you want to fry them. So next step is grab the tuna. So stay tuned and watch how it goes. Guys, so I have herbs, I have a sauce, so I burn the sauce as one always do. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm going to do it. So we're adding the tuna now. With a good mix. Yeah guys, so the tuna done now. So we are share it out now real quick. Alright guys, so this is how you make the dish. Yeah, so that is it.
The following Thursday.